In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check an Xpath in Chrome console step by step using a super simple built-in method. If you work with web scraping, debugging, automation, or just want to inspect elements faster, this is a really useful trick to know. And the best part is, you don't need any extra tools or extensions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the web page where you want to check the Xpath. It can be any site you're testing, whether it's a button, link, form field, or any other HTML element on the page. Once the web page is open, press Ctrl-Shift-I on Windows or use F12 to open Chrome DevTools. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command-Option-I instead. This will open the Developer Tools panel inside Chrome. Now, look for the Console tab and click it. The console is where you can run JavaScript commands directly in the browser, and this is exactly where we'll test our Xpath. Once you're in the console, type your Xpath using the $X function. For example, if you want to find all button elements on the page, type $X with double slashes button inside quotation marks, like this, $X//button. This tells Chrome to search the page for every element that matches that Xpath expression. After typing it, press Enter. Chrome will immediately return the matching elements in the console. If the Xpath is correct, you'll see one or more elements displayed as output. You can click on those elements to inspect them further and confirm that you found the exact item you were looking for. If nothing appears, that usually means the Xpath is incorrect, the element doesn't exist on the page, or the selector needs to be adjusted. In that case, double-check your syntax and make sure the Xpath matches the structure of the page. This method is incredibly helpful because it gives you a fast way to validate Xpath expressions without leaving the browser. It's especially useful for automation testing, Selenium work, or any situation where you need to confirm an element path before using it in code. So to quickly recap, open the page, open DevTools, go to the Console tab, type your Xpath with $X, and press Enter to see the matching elements. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more easy browser and developer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.